Hello, welcome to another video on LATEX typesetting. Here in this video we are going to see the topic putting one over the other, one over another, or we mean one expression over another. Look at the box, the output. Look at the material available in this box. And this is the running matter, but in the mathematical expression which is given here, you can see 1 minus this is a binomial expression nc1, the binomial expression nc1. How can we produce the this kind of expressions? Then you have 1 over 2, or the fraction 1 by 2. After that you have plus, then nc2, then again a fraction, then minus, etc. After that minus, etc. Then another binomial expression, then again a fraction. So so you have to learn how to type binomial expressions of the kind that are available here, and also fractions of the kind that are available here. You know, any binomial expression, fraction, and this kind of typing has almost the same structure. For producing binomial expression, we have the command /binom. See, this is the command /binom. binom is the command. Then in first you can see, after that two curly brackets you can see. In the first curly bracket you have to type the upper number, the number which appears first in that bracket you have to type. Then just below you can see a number in the binomial expression that can be typed in the following curly bracket. So the highlighted portion of the source code is the part of the source code that produces the output nc1. So this output nc1 is produced by using this command. Okay, so I am going to just copy it, and will show you separately the effect of that produces here in the output. Sorry, in the program. I type it, and I just type it binomial. Only that portion that creates that binomial expression is typed. So in order to make it in, you have to type it in a mathematical environment. Okay, for that I use single dollar symbols, and then by taking the output, by building the output, you can see that you can see the output, that's nc1. This nc1 is produced. So for producing this output, this kind of output, you have to use you have to use a mathematical environment. But if you are already in a mathematical environment, then you can use the command /binom in first curly bracket and second curly bracket. In the first curly bracket, that upper number should be the number used in the first place should be used, and then in the second curly bracket you have to use the second number, that is the number used below that first number. And that is the structure of that expression. Similarly, if you want to generate the fractions, any kind of fraction you can generate using this a similar type of command, but that is /frac command. Then you have two curly brackets, in which the numerator can be substituted in the first curly bracket, and the denominator part can be substituted in the second curly bracket. And separately we can see the effect of that of the command by typing it here, then including it in a mathematical environment. And then I will take the output. See that 1 by 2, 1 over 2 is available, is appearing here. But we have in this problem, in this box, you have a complicated, a complex expression, a very lengthy expression in which this the binomial expression, many binomial expressions are used, and also many fractions are used. So one by one you have to typeset them inside the mathematical environment. Okay, for that we the ordinary matter is typed first. After that, we begin, so we use begin slash begin equation star slash begin equation star, and then first you come, next you come, you enter the mathematical environment, then one you have, so 1 minus you type. After that slash binom, then the first number is typed in the curly bracket, and then 1 in the second bracket, second curly bracket. After that, then the slash frac, then 1 in the first bracket, then 2 in the second bracket, plus slash binom, then n in the first bracket, then 2 in the second bracket, again slash frac, because this fraction number must be typed. So slash frac, then 1 in the first bracket, then 2 cap 2 in the second bracket. After that, then minus, then you have to create dots. For that, slash dots b is used. This b produces the the dots which is at the middle, almost the middle of the expression. So this middle and the position, depending upon the position of the dots that you require, you have to make some changes in the command slash dots b. But at a lower position, if you want the dots at the lower position, you can use slash dots c, and likewise you can use that depending upon the situation. You can vary that command slash dots b command is used here. Then minus, after that you have this binomial expression slash binom, n in first bracket, then n minus 1 together in the second bracket, because n minus 1 is the next number in the second number. After that, again a fraction, you have to type fraction, so slash frac, then 1, then 1, then 2 cap n minus 1 together, 2 raised to n minus 1, so 2 cap n minus 1 together in curly bracket must be given. And after that you can close the curly bracket, then equal symbol, and finally 0. So since you are at the end of the mathematical expression, you can close it by using slash end equation star. Okay, then entire thing can be copied and used here to see the output. But that cap, there are some cap sections, so cap can be properly. That cap is typed. Now how many caps are there? 2 square at square, and then here also 2 raised to n minus 1. There are 2 caps there. Okay, now you can build the output. Okay, we have obtained that expression, 1 minus n nc1, then 1 by 1 over 2 plus the nc2 expression, nc2, then 1 over 2 square, etc. Okay. So here this expression, typing this expression is okay. You can see if you want to typeset this expression, but now source code is available. Okay, here for that this source code is available here. If you type that by typing the source code, you can create and the output which is available, which is given here. For that, since this is a mathematical environment, you can see this xn and converges to 0, and there exists a positive integer p, and that's also in mathematical environment. After that, such that after typing such that, you have this entire mathematical environment slash begin equation star, then modulus xn. So for that vertical line, and then x underscore n, then vertical again, then less than, ordinary less than, then slash t frac slash t frac is slash t frac, then 1 in the first curly bracket, 2 in the second curly bracket, then slash QUAD is used to give a space, and this space is produced using that slash QUAD. Then next text slash text, because this is an ordinary matter for all, and that must be typed in as an ordinary matter. So for all, and the rest can be given inside that slash text command. But for again, you since we require n greater than or equal to p as a mathematical expression, so you have to include that inside the dollar symbol, inside the $2 the single dollar symbols, okay, that you can give, and then you can finish that mathematical environment. So using by copying that, copying and pasting, you can see, but before that you can see the importance of that command slash t frac. Note that note the use of the command slash t frac to produce the to produce a smaller fraction. If you want, sometimes if you want, sometimes you want to produce a smaller fraction, a fraction in smaller size, then you can use the command slash t frac to produce that. The first output is produced by using the usual slash frac command. Slash frac command, using slash frac command also you can it is shown here, produce that output. But this output, when you compare it with the second output, you can see when we use the slash frac command, you are getting a big the fraction, a bigger size, in a bigger size. But here you have that slash frac. When you use slash t frac command, you can reduce the size of that fraction. So to reduce the size of fraction, you can use the command slash t frac, and that's the difference. Okay, then let's see the effect. See that here we get, since we use slash t frac command, we get in the output that fraction is in small size. Okay, you can apply that ordinary slash frac command also, and you can see the variation in the output. See how can we produce an effect of this, which is given as given as in this box. For producing this effect, for producing the kind of output that you can see here, that is the Christoffel symbol of this type of the second kind is related to the Christoffel symbol of the first kind by the equation. Okay, and if you want to produce an effect which is given in the box, you can use the use the source code as given here. See, by using that source code, first let's use that source code in the program, and let's see the effect first. Then we will analyze that command can be analyzed next. Okay, that not showing that output. Okay, what is the some package maybe required? Yeah, okay, if you want to check that, or we have to check the source code once again. Yeah, and the source code you can see these are okay. That cap is used, but okay, cap part you can change. But they're not getting that output. Okay, that we have to check. We have to check it. Okay, so we are going to wind up this video now.